Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you all how to mass post Instagram Reels using the Marketinsta software, which is completely automatic and the fastest way. With this software, you can manage as many Instagram accounts as you want with no limits. However many accounts you have, you can add them all to the software. To automatically post Instagram Reels, you need to click on the viral marketing section. Then select the video posting option. For posting Reels videos, we will set the parameters here. You can specify how many videos each account will post by setting the parameters here, and you can also enter the interval between each video post here. Usually I would post about 1 to 2 videos per day. I'll enter that here. And then we'll select this option. Next, I'll choose the folder containing the video links. Just make sure you select the correct folder with your video links. Then we'll move on to the description section. You can also add a description for your video here. If your video doesn't have a description, you can enter one. After saving the settings, you can tag friends, add a location, and set up interactions after the post is successful. You can like the post, comment after posting, and enter your comment content here with each comment on a separate line. For example, okay, very good. So just enter each comment on a separate line here, and then after finishing the configuration, select the account category, load your accounts, and click Start. The software will automatically log into your Instagram accounts and post Reels for you completely automatically and as quickly as possible. If you want a tool like this, please contact me. I'll leave my contact information below and also put it in a comment underneath. Goodbye and see you next time.